What's going on, guys? This is Gene Jensen, and that's Jordan. And what we're going to do today is Jordan said he was going to go fishing, and I kind of wanted to go with him. So I said, hey, let's do a challenge video. And so we made a list of some baits and
threw them in a hat.
Folded them up, threw them in a hat, in the Georgia hat, in the lucky hat. And we're going to draw one bait, and we're going to fish for 1 hour, and whoever catches the most fish wins.
I thought it was 2 baits.
Just one.
Just one? Okay, whatever.
Just one.
Just one. All right.
And he hopes he gets a Cinco. All right. Let's dive into it and see. All right. Don't be reading. I'm going first.
Okay. Mix them up real
Shake them up real good. You ready?
Make sure. Okay, go.
All right, draw yours.
All right. Gosh.
Some of these are pretty funny baits.
I don't know.
He's going to draw like the big swim bait.
I don't.
Come on, stop. He's so paranoid right now.
All right. All right.
All right, you ready? What'd you get?
What'd you get?
What'd you get?
You didn't get Ned rig, did you?
I don't know. I can't get it open. I'll let you.
Let's go.
What'd you get?
Drop shot.
Yeah, drop shot. Son of a gun. What'd I get? Open it up the rest of the way.
Oh, you definitely didn't get Ned rig. Oh, okay, you got a good one, chatterbait.
Ah, I got the
You're gonna catch a
chatterbait.
big fish. You're gonna catch a big fish.
So, Jordan gets to fish a drop shot.
Easy dubs.
I get to fish a chatterbait.
Chatterbait.
I got some tricks. Wait and see. All right, Junior, you ready? I guess. Here. Jordan, I want to introduce you to something. I'm going to introduce you to the 1/4 ounce.
Look, it's not. He thinks he's
Z-Man
all that great. He thinks he's all that good.
Micro mag chatterbait.
He's the chatterbait one.
He's never seen these before, and I got them in like 5 different colors. So that's what I'm gonna be using today with all these little bitty fish swimming around the shallows.
They are very small.
Let's have some fun. All right. Get your phone out.
Oh, we got it. I thought, okay. Shoot, mine's almost dead. I wasn't prepared.
You can always plug it in right here, or plug it up to the, grab the cord out of the quad.
Yeah.
Plug it up right there.
Yeah. I'm good, I know.
Okay.
59 minutes and 59 seconds. Oh wait, orange. I'm really stupid. There's an hours thing. Alright. He raised a special son.
He is special. Alright, so we got 1 hour.
Yes.
You ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go.
Let's go.
Alright, let's go. I know I'm gonna penalize myself for not bringing the tackle box, but I'm not bringing the tackle box.
I should probably grab a thing of soft plastic. It's okay. I'm gonna catch my first fish right here. It'll be good. I definitely gonna catch one first cast. Catch one first cast. Oh my gosh. Never mind. I'm gonna catch my first cast. There's 5 right there. Don't cross over me, come on. Oh, I got bit. Yep. I got freaking hammered. except I got grass all over it.
Jordan's got the
Oh, this guy's suck.
the little fish bait.
Dude, we're doing most fish, right? Most and
Most.
most. Okay.
All right.
What's crazy? Those are good ones for this pond. They're coming after it.
Daggum, look at them all.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you're gonna beat me with that little bitty bait.
Yeah, I'll catch bluegill.
Give me a Ned rig. This whole bank is lined up with little bitty 6-inchers. I don't even think they can get a 3-inch bait in their mouth. Fish on.
Already? Oh, they're sitting right there. All right, I got it.
That's number one. Number one. Giant.
One right there. Look at that. That is a good one. Holy cow. Oh, I got hammered. They don't want to eat it all the way though. I didn't even reel. I didn't even reel. He just came up here. Look at that. I'm telling you. Micro, we can call this micro fishing. Come on now. Yeah. Look at that giant. Let's go. There we go. Adios, number one on the board. I'm not going. There are some right. Oh, I just spooked like 4, but it's okay. Oh, missed.
GoPro, stop recording. Stop yours so you can get that miss. Good one. Fish on.
Okay, I knew they'd be doing it. I'm not gonna start the spot. Yeah, I know another spot.
Look at that, number 2.
Hey, biting today. Let's go.
Number 2. Son of a gun.
Oh, I knew I got hit right when I hit the bottom too. Hey, oh, that's a good one. Decent one. Maybe not. Look, biggest one I've caught today. Boom, number 2. Let's go. Oh my gosh, that's like a 4-pounder. Probably a 2-pounder because, you know, he's going to be real skinny. Yeah, you're right. That was a big one. Oh my gosh. I got one. Not him, but it's a good one.
What you got, Jordan? Is that number what? Number 3. Jordan just took the lead, 3-2.
I can get him on hook. He's hooked weird. Oh. Number 3. We all kind of on each other's butt, so I'm ahead. I'm gonna come on.
that little one?
I'm gonna get that. If I don't drop it on its head. Yeah, sight fishing.
Got him.
Number 4.
4 to 2.
Too easy, I'm telling you. There we go. Is that a bite?
Yeah.
Number 4. There you go. That's a good one. Chunky. Fish landing violation. You gotta
Fish
sit down 2
landing
minutes.
violation, 2-minute penalty.
We're not even good. Okay.
There we go. That's number
You barely
3.
touched them. I'll count it.
Ah. Key to a good offense
here.
is a good defense.
Okay.
Ask Georgia Bulldogs. Almost gave Jordan a piercing. Ladies and gentlemen, it is all tied up. 15 minutes left. It is now 4 to 4. Wham, wham, wham.
That's fine. Oh, there's a good one. Look at that. That's a big one, dude. Good one. He ain't a big one. I forgot what a big one feels like. It's a good one, though. Give it. Oh my gosh. Hey, I win big fish. It's a good one. Look at that. We got some content. Oh, man. Maybe. Come on. There we go. Look at that. Ain't a bad one. All right, number 5. We back in the lead. See ya, buddy. Thank you so much.
All right, Georgia just went up 5 to 4. Ladies and gentlemen, it is tied up again, and I got a big one. Number 5. It is 5 on 5 against 5. All right, so we had a 5 go bad on us, but luckily it was a good one. Yeah. It was one that could go bad and we can redo. But basically, what happened was we tied.
Yep.
And then what did we decide?
Crap, what did we decide?
I conned him into...
Oh, that's right. We had to use each other's baits.
We had to switch each other's baits, and we had, it was a sudden death overtime. First fish wins. And you guys can watch the rest of the video.
Ah, it's a drop shot, dude.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir. I win with the world's smallest fish. Look at the size of this fish is so small its eyeballs look giant. Look at that thing. That's what I'm talking about. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
I still caught the biggest one, but we aren't going for that. I got a good one, dude. No, he's spinning.
Look at that. 30 seconds later, Jordan pulls this in. Too late, bro.
Yeah, too late.
Too late.
That's all right.
Whew, I just barely squeaked that one in. What's the problem?
Trying to. You got me. Oh, you got to do it for
I'm
me.
gonna take the hook out for you.
Okay. Listen, I had it.
Hey, that one's got lipstick on. Look at that.
It do.
Well, Jordan, sorry, that one doesn't count. You still lost. Be nice to him.
I'm not rude.
He got stuck.
It wasn't my fault.
He got stuck.
Come on, buddy, go.
He said, yeah, use the butt of your rod to knock you loose. There it goes. That was funny.
Yeah, fish are stupid.
He's still fishing. We're gonna keep fishing. We're gonna have some fun. But that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Jordan, I hope you had fun, even though
It was fun, yeah.
even though I
You know,
beat your.
I caught fish.
Yeah.
Okay, beat the bait I chose.
Oh, you drew out of a hat.
It's a drop shot, okay?
All right, guys. Well, like I always say, be sure to introduce somebody to fishing. Introduce them to my channel. Let me help you teach them how to fish. More importantly, get out of the water, go out and catch some fish, and have a great day.
Adios.